In this video, I will show you how to connect Square to Mailchimp. First, log into your Square account. Now, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, another list will appear. From here, click on App Integrations. You will then be redirected to a new Square tab where all available integrations are shown. At the middle of the page, there's a search bar. Go ahead and type in Mailchimp, then hit Search. After that, you will see a few options in the results. Click on the first card that says Mailchimp, Email, and SMS to open its details page. Here you can read the overview, features, and how it connects with your Square account. Once you're ready, just click on the Get Started button to begin linking the two platforms. And that's it. Your Square account will now start syncing with Mailchimp, helping you manage your customers and email campaigns more efficiently. And that's how to connect Square to Mailchimp.